This is Scott the Fix Guy. Today we're dealing with a Bosch dishwasher that is not cleaning well. We're going to bypass the door switch so that we can take a look inside and see what's going on. So I'm going to use a small standard head screwdriver to push in on this little white tab. I want to keep pushing it until it flips and I can see more of the plastic tab. Actually, I'm going to use this hook tool, works even a little bit better. I'm going to push in and it'll click down and that'll activate the door lock, making the machine think that the door is closed. And now I can see the water has filled in and I can see that the circulation pump is spinning and creating some water pressure to move water out of the spray arms, but it's not near enough and it's just kind of dribbling out. This is due to the impeller has kind of broken away from the circulation motor shaft. So it's spinning it, but not very well. So this needs to be repaired by putting in a impeller kit that makes the impeller spin properly again. They're pretty cheap. But the symptom would be that your dishes don't really get clean. It fills with water, it drains water, but the dishes come out dirty and it's almost as if the water never sprayed on them. And this is due to a lack of power with the circulation pump because the impeller has broken free of the shaft. But the impeller kit that you can buy for the Bosch will solve that problem. And they're pretty cheap, a lot cheaper than buying a new circulation pump. And they're actually pretty easy to install. You have to take the dishwasher out of the cabinet, but it's not too difficult. And this happens maybe at about the 10-year mark or the 12-year mark on some of these Bosch dishwashers. Again, pretty easy to repair, but this is one way you can see that that's happening by bypassing the door lock. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.